Welcome back, fam. It's good to have you on board. You're gonna do a quick recap and then jump right into this week's video. I did that last week, and then this week I was just trying to get the mesh top going and watching a few Netflix series while I was at it. But I'm just gonna give you my point of view on this particular top, and I was watching The Ultimatum and Bridgerton in between. I don't know, whichever one caught my eye, whichever episode I was there. And I learned a lot from it. But if you want a thorough update, comment below, and then I'll probably be back with the pattern if you want to check you later.